soon. Florence had finished cooking and walked out on the porch. The wind was blowing. She stood it on the ground and closed her eyes and had flashbacks of being called a nigger by a white woman when she was 9 inside a store and remember catching her dad having sex with other women. She walked in on them. Florence was walking and she said to herself, I wonder what Diana is up to. Have not seen her in almost 2 weeks. She walked over to Diana's house and knocked on the door. From the screen door, she saw a man. Florence said, who the hell is that? Florence then walked in and said, where's Diana? Rockin said, right here, right there.